Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up gesture navigation on your AutoMagic V6. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and press the settings. Here in settings, what are we going to do? If we want to get rid of those three buttons, what are we going to do is we're going to scroll down until we see System and Updates. Here we go to System Navigation and we select Gestures. As you guys can see here, we have the gesture tutorial. I'm just going to skip it and I'll show you how that works. So if you want to go back, you just swipe to the either left or right. If you hold more, you open up your Smart Sidebar. Here you can do it from both of these sides. So for example, you can do it from this side, from this side. If you want to open up the apps that are in the background, you just press and hold it until you feel a vibration. Here you have them. And if you want to simply leave the app, you swipe up fast. So you're not taking your time, so that you open up the taskbar for an example. As you guys can see, you do not wait for it to just click here. If you want to leave it faster, you just swipe up, or you can easily just leave it like that. So these are basically all the gestures. There's nothing else that you need to know about them. And that's how you guys can set up the gesture navigation. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.